let's pack a 2-scoop order. This is Lori's order. 2 scoops plus 2 gifts. Loves Pochocco, Karapi, Hangyadoom, Stitch, and Snoopy. Avoid hair items. Now let's get scooping. 2 scoops has 30 to 40 items. We ship within the USA. Thanks for your order, Lori. We hope you love it. Now let's pick 2 gifts. Stitch tumbler. Karapi dumpling plushie, so cute. Two large notebooks. One hand towel. One keychain. One tote bag. One wallet. One socks. One sleeping eye mask. Swap for plush headband. Gacha time. Let's see what your extra gift is. Any bag. How about a Hangyadoom plush bag? One face mask. Extra under eye mask. One scrunchie. One pencil case. One mini notebook. Replace with large spiral notebook. One sticker box. Whoops, she said no hair items. Let's swap the scrunchies for hand towel. One lip balm. One plush headband. One mystery eraser. One mouse pad. 1 eraser. Swap for pencil case. 1 mystery pen. 2 mystery keychains. Purple C3. Teal B1. One sticky note. Replace with plush charm keychain. 1 plaster doll kit. Swap for diamond painting kit. 1 note clip. 1 Mist Beauty. Tissues. 1 lanyard. Swap for playing cards. 1 nail clippers. Replace with Pocha plush pencil case. 1 bookmark. Extra mini notebook. 1 phone holder. 1 coloring book. Let's swap the remaining items so we can get more characters she requested. 1 stationery set and 1 phone lanyard. Swap for plush coin bag and plush charm keychain. One hardcover notebook and 1 mirror. Replace with plush tote bag. And Pocha building blocks. One coloring book and 1 highlighter. Swap for Stitch Micro Teeny Plush. And Pochaco wallet. One DIY item and 1 plush claw clip. Swap for multi-pen. And Hang-Yadon and Pocha pens. Awesome, now let's pick extra items. Dry erase board. Brooch. Canvas tote bag. Now let's pick freebies. Mini keychains. Mini playing cards. Luggage tag. Snacks. Sand art kit. Hardcover notebook. What a cute order! Repack the boxes. That's all for this order. Enjoy your unboxing, Lori. Thanks for your order. See you.